Yeah, okay, this is like my third time restarting it. I don't know why I can't thank you guys properly, but I'm gonna do it this time. I mean it. Uh, I'd like to thank my 2 subscribers. Appreciate you guys, and I'd like to thank the commenter. Appreciate you too. That's all I had to say. Another run back.
Commando, you have to actually like aim and shit.
Oh, what about?
So,
I meant you to do the same with the Huntress, right? She has a bow.
not really. She like locks on to people.
All right. Wow. Look at that.
Kill you! I'll fucking kill you!
Perhaps for like #1.
I don't think you're unlocking your Bankai, bro.
I think I
I'll be
am.
honest.
Fine, I'll lock my
Bika.
I'll lock my ham and then that'll be easier, right?
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's dead. He's fucking dead. Nice.
What do you think of that?
At the casino, I see.
Oh yeah, I'm having a blast. They're dirty gamblers that lost all their cash and they're taking their anger out on me though. I don't respect them. So I'm doing the morally correct deed and shooting them with my bow.
I don't think that's the morally correct thing to do.
Well, neither is beating me up for my catch, so who's really in the wrong?
I think that's more morally correct.
Nah, that's debatable. Give me more! I need to gamble more!
Yes, leech. Thank you for the leech. That's what I wanted, a leech.
Dumbass, nice try. Okay, I'm sorry.
Ooh, a yak.
Whoa, calm down. It's not that serious. I'm not #1. I'm so not #1.
Did you die?
Maybe. You just need that little luck on your side. The great luck, that's what we call it.
You just need that great luck.
God damn it.
You die again?
No, I jumped
Oh, you're
off.
hella low.
I had a good run. It was fun for a little while. But now I'm going to die. I appreciate support. Tag him. Get his, jump him. Test me. I was gonna get something eventually, and I got a sticky bomb. Yeah, I might as well just like go. I'm broke. Never mind.
Might as well just go again. Here, I'll go again for you. I'm broke too.
Grapple. Need to grapple. No, you took my win. You took my win.
You're too slow.
You took my win. Maybe not.
I'll be there in a jiff.
Yeah, I'll just begin it. You'll be there when it already starts. Oh, giant jellyfish thing. Okay, it's not that serious, my guy. You don't gotta be. What is this? I am here.
Okay, you're up.
Okay. I personally don't think it's that serious. What you're doing is
I
totally
believe they
unnecessary.
disagree. I'm pretty sure they're like disagreeing with you, dude. I'm pretty sure.
I
Like
have.
you're a pretty controversial figure.
I wouldn't say that. That
Born
the
clippings.
Jew Ren was not
We're gonna
me.
put ridges on them to make it official.
That was
Jews
not
win.
me, okay? That was not me. Oh, why am I dying again? Oh shit, well that's not good. Ah! I mean, it was not absolutely nothing, you know. Oh, light work, no reaction. come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. I think they see me. Alright, buddy. I'm just trying to make a quick buck here. You don't have to be doing all of that. Alright, maybe they do. Maybe they do.
Another goat leg. In the name of Allah, I will take this goat leg.
Allah save me! Allah save me!
Allah is here.
Allah! Alright, calm down. It is not.
Allah does not have his cue.
I forgot I had that. So, I might have messed up a bit.
You're fucking dead. I need that money.
Oh, good!
There's a dumb lizard. What the heck, bro?
Okay, maybe I should get rid of the thing shooting beams at you first before I try targeting the big guy. You know what? I think we should just restart. Honestly, I think we should just restart.
Distant roost. Throughout heaven and earth, I am the honored one.
Is that purple? Is that hollow purple? Who's got purple? Who's got purple? Who's got purple? We have a sorcerer. We have a jiu-jitsu sorcerer. Oh my god! We can't lose. We can't lose with Gojo. We can't lose with Gojo.
Guys, it's Gojo. It's Gojo.
It's Gojo. We can't lose with Gojo.
Later, nerd.
The jump. I'm gonna kill that guy. Gojo, do something. Gojo, purple. Oh, purple.
I didn't. Oh, my bad. Oh, yo, Wimo. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We gotta stop, period, Gramps. We have to stop periods. I'm frozen. I'm frozen. Ah, I'm frozen. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the fuck?
I think you win that. Give me something. Thank you. What? Okay, one more go.
Start
Again,
up this
one
boss.
more go.
Nice.
I won't give up. I win this. Easy peasy. I'm gonna die, aren't I? No!
Oh, you're still alive. Oh.
I win!
Yes. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Knock that.